Hey, what's up, beauties? Happy Monday to you all. I'm Carolyn Arredondo, owner and photographer of Lee's Beauty Photography, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. So today's topic is a special treat specifically for photographers. I want to walk you through some tips and tricks on preparing for your photo shoot before you even contact your model. And be sure to stay tuned for an exclusive surprise that you can sign up for in the end. Okay, so the number one question I get when I have models to shoot with is, how do you get models? Or how do you get models to shoot nude? And those are awesome questions, and I will definitely jump right into that. But hold up, let's take a step back, because preparing for your concept and what you want in your portfolio is really significant. I want to give you 5 tips to take before you even contact your model. And the first one would be, have a project in mind. When building your portfolio, you really want to have a narrowed concept on what you would like to shoot. Therefore, you're not wasting anyone's time. When it comes to a project, you need to think about wardrobe, you need to think about props, location. So I'm going to give you an example. I need studio images. Therefore, I will know that I am going to be shooting on a black backdrop. I want a simple look, and I want to play with lighting. So let's see what I'm going to need. I'm going to need a backdrop. I'm going to need lights. And what's great about playing with lighting is, do you want it to be black and white? Do you want it to be color? That's something that you can think about while you're editing, but let's just say we are going to do black and white images only. And so, for instance, okay, my shoots are natural. I don't need to hire a makeup artist or a hairstylist because I'm going to just play with some shadows, and I let my models know that I will be doing some headshots for them, but my work will not include their faces, so I don't need any of that, so that's taken care of. All right, so there goes the brainstorming on your portfolio. Now let's go to step number 2, and that is physically laying something out. So you want to have like a mood board or some kind of concept board. How I do with this is I use Pinterest. So I love Pinterest for this reason, because there's already so much inspiration out there already, and everyone is constantly pinning posts. All you have to do is look up some words, let's say black and white images, black and white photography, black and white models. You type this in and you just pin it into this board, or you just make a board and it'll have everything there. And what's great about this is you can share it, so this would be great to share with whoever is on your team, including your model, so they can get an insight of what you are looking for beforehand. All right, so number 3 is have a budget. So with projects, you have to think about, are you going to be charging? Are you going to be paying? Will you be renting backdrops or lenses? You need to rent a location. Now these are a lot of things to think about. And so I would suggest, when you're on your brainstorming, to think about these and create a budget in mind, if any. So 99% of my shoots are trade shoots, and therefore none of us are charged. We are trading our time for this outcome, and so this is all agreed upon prior to confirming our shoot. Right, 4th thing on my list is have a date and time scheduled. So again, this is all about being professional and telling your model that you have a plan in place, and it comes straight down to the date and time. Now sometimes you don't even have to put an actual time if you're trying to work around someone's schedule, of course. Maybe you can just put, I would like to do this shoot in May, something like that. And then but you want to be very direct so someone can fit into your schedule as well. And so what I like about this as well is you do come across determined and really passionate for the thing that you are working on, as opposed to just trying to find a model. You really like the model's image and you think that she would be the perfect cast in your project. And so then I feel like that gives them a meaning to be passionate about your own project. The fifth and final tip I have for you today is to have a script or template ready for when you are going to contact your model. So of course, with the past 4 tips, you have had a plan in place, you have had a budget, you even have a date, you have a project in mind. Most of this is already written down for you. All you have to do is put it in sentences and you're good to go. Alright beauties, so that is just a little bit of the tea I have for you. And now for the surprise. So I am so excited to announce I will be having a full course on how I find and contact models coming out soon. In this course, you will get an exclusive look inside my head and learn my personal and professional advice on how I find models that are a perfect fit for my projects. This will include the best script and templates I use to contact the models, whether it be through email or social media. If you are interested and excited as I am, be sure to sign up. I have a link below, and you can be one of the first people to be notified when it gets launched. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed my video. Let me know if you have any questions or comments below. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Also, be sure to follow me on social media. I do have my links below as well. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!